Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Good morning, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is a little bit of different things. Some is Happy Mail, some are things that I'm working on. Yeah. I'd like to say thank you to all of you that have been sending me cards and things like that. It is so much appreciated, and I love reading the words that you guys are writing and telling me how much you're praying for me and things like that. I just want to tell you how much I do appreciate that, and just even in the comments where you guys, even if you haven't sent a card or something like that, but you've been supporting my channel and you've been writing things to me through the comments of my videos and on Facebook and stuff. I appreciate those, and just as much. I just want to tell you guys how much I appreciate that. So grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny talk. Today is vanilla buttercream. So I'm going to taste it for the first time. My sister Tanya left this for me yesterday, so I'm going to see what I think of it. It's different, of course. I've only had vanilla flavored Starbucks. It's got a little bit of a different smoothness to it. Yeah, that's good. I took a bigger sip that time. I'm always scared to taste new coffee. But yeah. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, Tanya. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, so the first thing I want to go ahead and start with is that Annie's graciously sent me a kit. And they want me to do this, I believe, every 2 weeks and work it up and show you guys, because this is an exciting one. Christmas is just around the corner. And so this is going to be this right here. It's their Christmas Candy Sampler Afghan. And I'm so excited to receive this from them. Here's another picture. Now, I was told they were going to send me a kit every 2 weeks. And like I said, I've got to work it up and, give my thoughts, show you guys my progress as it's being made, all that good stuff. And and what I get out of it is, at the end of it, I get me a Christmas Afghan. But look at this. I think look at that up close. That's going to be so much fun. And it comes with a video, a left and right-handed tutorial video, and I can find this online so I can save it to my computer or, print it out if I was to ever lose this copy right here. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. And I believe the first one is 3 rows, that they have you to do. Here it is. That's what I'm going to do first, right there. Strap 1, 2, and 3. Those 3. And so every 2 weeks, because they'd like for me to have this done by Christmas. So here's the yarn. It's Premier Anti-Peeling here. And this is some really soft yarn. Medium full weight, 153 yards in this, 100% anti-peeling acrylic. Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday Worsted. That's what it says. Let's see. Yeah, the color. I was trying to look for the color. It says machine wash warm, tumble dry, normal. Oh, there it is. There it is. Really red. And I assume that one, okay, that was Snow White, and this one is Clover. But aren't they pretty? Look at that. So I'm super excited. I am going to start this weekend. And hopefully I'll have a little bit done so that when I do the Monday crochet chat, I can show you guys what I've got done and what my thoughts are on it so far, just from the first 3 stripes. So the next thing is, I said I was going to be making some Shawlettes and selling them in my Etsy shop. Well, I posted one and it sold within hours. So thank you so much for purchasing that. They sent me a really nice little note and thanking me and telling me how much they were excited to get my Shawlette. So thank you very much for that. Well, I do have another one up there, and I'll show that in just a second. But the one that I'm working on now, I believe this is Mindful Mauve is the color. And it looks like it's mostly going to be this, and it's going to end with this right here. But I just started this one last night. Oh, I didn't put my stitch marker in it. Tanya's gonna get me. But that's what I've got so far. So that's going to be really pretty too. But let me show you the video clip of the one that I did finish that is up for sale in my Etsy shop. Okay, so this is the shawl. This is the Shawlette. Isn't it pretty? Look at these colors, guys. It's just beautiful. So, yeah, this one's going up for sale in my Etsy shop. This is the Line Brand Shawl in a Ball Shawlette. They are machine wash, gentle, lay flat to dry. So these are 58% cotton, 39% acrylic, and 3% other fibers. 518 yards, a medium 4 weight. It says machine wash, gentle, lay flat to dry. Line Brand shawl in a ball. So there is enough to make a whole shawl, or if you did like me and you want a shawlette, something a little smaller to wear on the front of your body, then it takes, with one of these, you can get one and almost a second one. You'll have to get into a second ball here to complete the second one. Yeah, and like I said, that first one, the top part of that first shawl is Calming Desert, and this one is Mindful Mauve. And all I did was I took the dark, since this one here was ending with dark colors, I took this dark purples and put it at the end of that shawl. Okay, so yeah, so that's the shawl, the two shawls. Well, one is up for sale, the other one will be going up pretty soon. But what I've got to do first is I got to finish this doll. Here is her purse. Now she's going to have a little purple flower on this, and she's going to have a pair of shoes that I haven't made yet. And a headband. I decided to do a headband, and so when I get this completed, I'll send this to my testers, and I will work on the Welly Wisher, the 14.5 inch doll, and I'll show you the colors for her. It's basically going to be the same thing, of course, but instead of the lavender, I'm going to use yellow for hers. So I think those are nice springy, summery type colors, you know. So I'm excited about getting that finished. And I've already got my next idea for my next doll outfit. So be ready, guys. Okay, so the next thing is, I'll tell you guys, this video is full. I'll show you this right here. I got this off Amazon and this from Joann's. Okay, so here's the hook that I got, a 2.25. I got this at Joann's yesterday. And I got this to go with this Crochet Zodiac doll book. Now, I'm not a big Zodiac type person, but I do think it's cool, just the fact that, you know, everybody's got names according to when they were born. But I do not like read up on zodiacs and all that kind of stuff. But here's the dolls, and I thought this would be so cute if I made these, for one for each of my sisters and my granddaughter and my daughter and my mom. Can't forget my mom. And so I'm going to make one for each of those, or that's my plan if the patterns work out okay. The only thing is that I'm not too thrilled about is that mine is Pisces, which is this right here. And so she doesn't have legs to stand on. And that's The only thing I'm disappointed about. So I was sort of thinking about maybe doing the legs off one of these dolls and still having her body like this. And where the body starts, maybe I could put the fins coming down the front, but still have the feet behind her. I don't know. Maybe she'll stand up on the point and then the flaps will come down and just lean her up against something. But anyway, that's my plan. I plan on making that if the dolls work out good. This book was pre-ordered. It is for sale on Amazon now. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in. But it really does look cool. And there they are like that. My sister Tanya, hers is first. See, look how cute they are. This one is mine. Oh, there's another doll that's got like that. This one is Pisces. This one is Aquarius. It goes to my granddaughter and 2 of my sisters, my first and second sister. And there they are like that. And let's see, this one is my sister Tanya's. But they're just adorable. Yeah, see, there's Tanya's. Anyway, it shows the tools and materials. Of course, they call for 2.0. I did a 2.5. I'm just not going to go quite that low. But I like that it shows all the different types of stitches and things. But there they are. I just think they're so adorable. I just had to get it. Yeah, there's my sister's right there. So hers is going to, like I'm going to reverse the colors for her. So, there's Aquarius. They're so cute, don't y'all think? Oh my gosh. One of my sisters, oh, it's my mom here. My mom is Sagittarius. That one, I think, is my daughter's right there. Leo's cute. I really like that one too. Like I said, I just think they're super adorable. That's my youngest sister. And I'm debating, I guess by the time I get to it, I'm debating whether I should make 2 of them. I don't know till I'm there. So anyway, that's my plan, is to make the girls one of these for Christmas. We'll see. Like I said, I gotta make the first one first. Okay, guys, let's do our 365 days of prayer. A voice. He will care for the ready and neglected when they cry to him for help. The humble and helplessness will know his kindness. For with the Father's compassion, he will save their souls. That's Psalm 72, 12, 13. Compassionate Lord, you are an advocate for the voiceless. You not only see the neglected and needy in society, but you care for them. Your great kindness answers their cries for help. In your great compassion, you offer the wealth of your kingdom to their weary souls. Let me reflect your goodness in the way I live my life. If I ignore the poor and needy around me, surely I am not living in your likeness. There are no second-class citizens in your kingdom. We are all sons and daughters in equal footing. Lord, when I see my brother in need, move my heart with compassion. Let my life make space for those that the world would rather ignore. Let me live with thoughtful consideration for everyone I rub elbows with, for I know I will find you there. Let me lift my own voice with yours, calling out for justice and equality. Who can you speak up for? That's a good one to think about on, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the Bible reading, and that's all that I have for this video. I will see you guys Monday. I do have more stuff to show you. I have a big box that I received from Shannon. Thank you, Shannon. And I will talk about a little bit of that because it's a big box and I don't want to just do the whole video on it. I want to kind of split it up a little bit because it's an exciting box and I just want to kind of spread it out a little bit. So I will show you Monday a little bit of that, and hopefully the candy stripe blanket, I'll get to show you an update on that and tell you my thoughts on that. But yeah. Okay, guys, that's all I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.